Second look is the 70s curl. We're using the Airwrap. This is me and Victoria. Check it out. Take your Airwrap, use the pre-styling dryer and start to rough dry the hair. Add in lots of volumizing spray. So next step, we're going to be taking the small 30mm barrels, starting with the arrows going away from your face to create that outside movement that's more flattering. On each section, spray a bit of hairspray and then let the Airwrap attach and really dry in that hairspray as the hair's drying to get you that really tight curl. That's what we're looking for.
Never thought of doing that. I love the Airwrap so much.
Once you've worked your way all the way around both sides of the head, we're now going to drag our fingers through and just really give it that 70s curl.